Alright, let's look at the homework 2.1, problem number 9. Alright, so this is kind of a reverse process. We have the solution of the differential equation given, and try to find the differential equation whose solution is the given solution. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, first I'm going to just rewrite this by distributing e to the x to both terms. So you see that you're going to get C1 e to the, right? So when you multiply, we add the powers together. So both has x. I'm going to pull out x. Then you have a 1 plus square root of 2 and plus C2 e to the x times and 1 minus square root of 2. Right? So you can see that here we have this is going to be our R1 value from the characteristic equation. This is the R2 value. Right? So the characteristic equation is going to be so it's going to be a quadratic equation, right? So you have a characteristic equation is going to be R minus R1, which is, let's see, I have to probably put the parentheses here. You have a 1 plus square root of 2. Right, then I'm gonna put a bracket around it, here, so that I don't get confused. Right, and the other one is R minus R2, which is 1 minus square root of 2. Right, so is equal to 0. So this is a characteristic equation because their roots, its roots is going to be R1 and R2. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and multiply it out. So we're going to get R times R gives you R squared. Right, R times negative quantity 1 minus square root of 2 then is negative 1 minus square root of 2 R. Right, and this times that is negative quantity 1 plus square root of 2 R. Right, and then last one is quantity 1 plus square root of 2 times 1 minus square root of 2, and negative gives you a positive. So it's going to be, let's see, it's going to be a 1 squared minus square root of 2 squared. So it's going to be 2. Alright, so this is going to be equal to 0. Alright, then we just have to clean up a little bit. Let's see, so we have, this is going to be positive square root of 2. Here's a negative square root of 2. So we can cancel those two guys. Right, then we have R squared. Right, here is negative 1 and here's another negative 1. So it's going to be a negative 2R. Right, so 1 minus 2 is minus 1 is equal to 0. Right, then we just have to convert it to the differential equation. So all we have to do is corresponding to a square is a second derivative, and the first power is the first derivative. Constant is the coefficient of the constant. Right, so we're going to have a differential equation y double prime minus 2y prime minus y equal to 0. All right, which is what we got here. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.